you are a kind of geek for selfies, so this app will be very helpful to you. Why? Because many of phone and many brands not provide you flashlight in your selfie camera. So by using this app, you can get a selfie camera into your phone. So guys, use this application for your phone, and now I am going to tell you about this application. So watch this video till the end. This video tells you how to click your selfie without having a flashlight, and this app gives you a flashlight effect, also provides you a real flashlight in your selfie camera. Guys, I'm not joking, and it's not a gimmick, it's not any kind of fraud, anything I'm going to tell you now. So watch this video till the end. So guys, you have to just install an application which is known as the Selfie Flash. As you can see here is the application which is called Selfie Flash, and by the way, I give a link below down the description comment box, so you can download it from there. And you have to just switch on this application and go into your primary camera app which is pre-installed with your phone. Then I'm going now with my application. Now as you can see, there is a phone from where I'm recording this video, and the second phone which I'm using now as a example. So here is I am hi again for this video, and now I'm going to tell you how you can use this application. Wait a minute, why it gets switched off? Yes. Now as you can see, here is a ring between the camera area, and you have to just press this. Now you can see the ring light is up here, which increase the flash. Like before this ring light, as you can see, there is a huge difference, and there is a dim light. For example, I give you some sample shots with this phone, so I am going to on this now. Yes, as you can see here, we can click picture very nice with the light. If the light is very low, like light is very switched off, so give me a minute, let me switch off this light, and then I give you the example. Guys, light is switched off, and this is my table light which is now running. Let me stop this light also. Let's take few seconds. Let me switch off this light also. Yes. Now guys, there is a no light, no source of light also. Now we are going to test this application. I am going to just press this light button in middle of my phone, and as you can see, here is a difference. You can click nice shots using this application. So let me click some shots, and I give you with the example, and let me switch on the light again. Now guys, as you know, there is a huge difference using this light, and this light also gives effect of like big ring light which is used by YouTubers. Like there is an effect of like circle in your eyes. Here as you can see in my eyes, there is a circle was visible in eyes. Let me do it with the nearly. As you can see here, with nearly it presents a circle in your eyeballs. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Say cheese.